Let's paint a Christmas wreath. So I'm going to take my mop brush with white, tan, and burnt umber and do up and down strokes, not mixing the paint, but dipping into each of the colors a little bit at a time and blending it up and down. This gives you a wood grain effect, and I'm kind of going for like a wood door. And I'm going to dry it for this next step. Then I'm going to take my sea sponge with some Christmas green and dark green and start bouncing the sponge in a circular shape. This is going to be your wreath. You know how wreaths always look a little bit funny until you fluff them. I'm just going to keep fluffing mine out until I get the right thickness and then fill it in so it isn't see-through. See, I'm filling in on the inside then. And then when you get the right consistency, I think that looks good, I'm going to dry it. And then I'm going to make a bow. Now I'm going to use white first, and using the medium round brush, I'm going to do a circle at the top center, do 2 bunny ears, and then 2 little tails hanging down from the middle like that. Bows can be all different shapes, so have fun with designing this one. And once that's dry, paint it the color you want. I'm going to make mine bright red. That really stands out. And if it looks a little bit transparent, you can do more than 1 coat, but this is just giving you a good base. Don't forget those highlights with some white, little pops of color. And I'm going to use my round spouncers to decorate. Just press down and pull up. You can do any colors you want. I'm going to use a dark yellow for some of my ornaments there. I've seen people go all out with different colors, but I suggest doing different sizes. So I'm doing a large and a medium. Notice I'm only doing large and medium in just a couple different places. And then I'm going to take a smaller pouncer, I'm going to do blue, and just use those as filler ornaments. I'm going to kind of place those all in there in kind of a random pattern. Now you see how the pouncer leaves a little bit of a bubble shape. You could do a second coat to get rid of those, but I want mine to look like glitter ornaments, so I'm going to use glitter paint. This makes them really sparkly like those glitter ornaments you can get, and they just turn out really shimmery, which is cool. Now glitter paint always goes on a little bit milky, so it will look like white a little bit, but it's gonna dry clear, so don't fret when you do this. But I'm gonna make all my ornaments sparkly because I think that just makes it 10 times more festive. And let's see, while that dries, I'm gonna go back in with some dark red and add some shading to my bow. It's up to you how detailed you go. Add those highlights back in. White is super important. Now I'm going to take my detail brush and white paint, and let's add some more filler. I'm going to do these fun little squiggly lines. That just kind of is like tinsel or party streamers. Just make it really, really festive. That's kind of optional, but I think it makes it look more Christmassy. Just little squiggly lines coming out. And don't forget little half C's in your ornaments. That gives it a little bit of a shine, even though they're super shiny with the glitter paint. I'm going to do that in each one of those. Now, ooh, you can kind of see the glitter. Now, this is one that this is what it looks like without the glitter, but I want to make this one really glittery. This is actually the first time I'm adding glitter paint to this sample. So I'm going to take that again, and I'm going to even make my bow shiny. There we go. Ooh, I'm actually really liking it. I might start teaching it this way. So there is a super easy painting for Christmas. Kids really have fun decorating this one too, so have fun.